Athanasian Creed, Episode 2. Quam nisi quisque integram inviolatamque servaverit, absque dubio in aeternum peribit. We are still dealing here with the preamble to the Creed, and it says, quam, which, this is feminine singular accusative, the antecedent of which is the Catholic faith, fidem catholicam, or actually catholicam fidem, which faith, unless each person nisi quisque shall have kept it, or held on to it, integram inviolatamque, wholly and without deviation, unviolated. Quisque is masculine singular nominative. It is the subject of servaverit, and servaverit is third singular, future perfect, indicative, and active. Which faith, quam, unless each person shall have kept it or held to it, the object being quam, and then we have two predicates, shall have held on to it, fully or intact and without deviation, absque dubio, without doubt, doubtless, he shall perish, that person quisque, forever, in aeternum. The form of this conditional, wherein we have a future perfect indicative in the C clause, the protasis, and a future indicative in the apodosis, the then clause, this is called often a simple fact future or a future most vivid. Notice that unlike English, where the verb in the protasis can be a simple future, the verb in the protasis here has to be a future perfect, unless he shall have held on to it, so it envisions a future action, he shall perish, and this action has to be completed, servaverit, the failure to hold on to the faith, intact and without deviation, that has to be completed before this action in the apodosis can obtain, peribit. Then in aeternum is used adverbially, and absque is a synonym of sine, which always takes the ablative, as does absque.